part of the wood right here. Some of our wood piles, some more over here. We got that big one down there. Let's see if I can zoom in. No, I don't think I can. But that is the tree. It was out to about there. We have Adam Como, Daniel Vining, myself. Let's take a walk down memory lane here. I am in a wetsuit. I have been in this pond for the past 5 hours. A little chilly, little ice in the water this morning. Here's some more logs here. There's a couple of big dogs that I had to yank out of the water. A couple of more big ones. This is what I've been doing for the past couple minutes. Got this ginormous pile here. Look how big these logs are. As we venture, we have more wood here, all chainsawed up, more wood there. We have this giant pile over here. All this crap. And then I'll take you over to the tree. Home tree, as I like to call it. So we walk through this mud and shit. There's all this here. All this wood here we had to cut. This is the tree that came down. And that is where we're at right now.